everybody, and welcome to another How to Draw. Today we're going to be doing an angel. Let's begin. Alright everyone, let's start with a circle. It just goes around and up. Always good to leave a little bit of space because we're going to have to make a halo after. Then next we're going to make a triangle, but we're keeping the top off. If you want to draw the triangle with it, then you can do it the same as me. Alright, and then we're going to add a little curve to the bottom of that triangle, just to give it that cute little dressy look. Alright, and we're going to erase our little line that we made with the triangle and our little pointy parts. That was just to help us see where the triangle was going. There we go. And then next, we're going to make a little oval up here. Doop, doop. And we're going to make two other triangles on the sides, just like this. Okay, and then we're going to do two halves of a circle for both sides for little hands. If you want to draw a circle first with it, we'll do it that way. Whatever way's easier for you. And then erase another half, the half of the circle. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add our wings and our halo. For the halo, we're going to just do another oval. There we go. I like to clean up my ovals a little bit along the way. Everything. Okay. Now to make the wings, we're going to have to make circles. So we're going to make a tiny circle here, and then a little bit of a bigger circle here, and then one big circle here. And then you do the same to the other side. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. I can't wait to see what your guys' looks like. All right. So, for the final steps, we're going to clean up our wings and make our face. All right, so I'm gonna go and bring the line up like this, almost like a little curve, and then another curve. And then for the hair, we'll do a line curve going down this way, and then another one going this way. And then from here, do a little oval, and then another oval, along with eyelashes. If you want to put eyelashes, that's up to you. Have fun with your character. I'm going to add a little blush and a blush, along with a smiling face. And for the wings, we'll erase a couple little less details. So just erase those tops. And then we're just going to erase all the lines from inside. There we go. And for me, I like adding a little bun for my angel. So I'm just going to add a big poof at the top. And give her a couple little shoop for hairlines. Of course, it's always good to have fun and be creative. All right, there we have it, our own little angel. All right, thank you guys and have a wonderful night.